All this week on Dateline Schools, we're visiting the St. Clair County Technical Education Centers. They're prepping now for their annual open house coming up on Thursday, February 20th. And tell us all about it, my special guest is the director here at Tech, Pat Yanik. And Pat, give us a little description of what the open house is like when parents and their kids come in and to see what you have to offer here.
So all of our programs are open for parents and students to walk through. Our staff are all here in the program area to answer questions. And then we have students in the program area that are doing some kind of demonstration or work so that students can see a little bit what Tech is like during a day at Tech.
And do the kids have a chance to talk to the others, to the staff, to the other students that are here?
Yes, absolutely. They can ask students questions, they can ask staff questions, they can wander around, and the idea is for them to get a feel for all the different programs. We have 13 programs and a chance to do that walkthrough. A lot of students come in with no idea what they want to do, and our goal is for them to hopefully at least narrow that list down if they and ideally see a program that they really like. But sometimes they walk away and they're still not quite sure.
Probably kind of cool for you guys and your staff to see some kids kind of get that idea like, oh, I didn't know we could do this, or I didn't know this is what it was about.
Yeah, there's usually quite a few students when they're leaving, we'll ask them, so did you find what you're looking for? And there's usually quite a few that have identified what program they want to take if they're planning to come back at Tech.
Do you find a lot of the kids that end up coming to Tech, this was the decision maker for them by coming here to the open house?
Sometimes, and then other times the students, they go through open house and then they'll come back and ask to do what we call a Tech shadow, which is in their sophomore year, they'll ride the bus with the Tech students and spend half a day with us in a program area, or 2 or 3. They don't have to just see one program, they can see several programs to help solidify that decision so that they know exactly what they're getting into.
And my guess is for those parents who haven't had a child at Tech, it's got to be pretty eye-opening for them too.
That's the other thing. It amazes me how many parents that aren't aware of Tech, they'll come out and they'll say, we had no idea you had all of this available, or man, I wish I would have known Tech was here when I was in school. I would have loved to have come here. But yeah, it's most of the time they're pretty amazed at what we have available.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington.